Right, sorry about the background noise. The 3D printer is running. We have here the Polymaker dryer. We are talking about a quick mod on this one. When you use those cardboard rolls, you have two options to mount them in here. The roller in the middle here, plastic, and you can tell already how hard it rolls. And then also what it does when you wind down the spool, this thing is moving on here left and right, and if it moves here to the end, it's rubbing on the sides here, right, on top. Okay, the other option is to have it down here, all the way down. Now it's rolling on those metal pieces, and then, crazy enough, this is even harder to roll because of those edges of the cardboard, right? So, and we want to have this unroll as smooth as possible, and there we doing a little mod. So I have my 3D printed files here for different parts. So you need to print 4 small parts. It takes about an hour here to print this, I would guess. And you use the existing parts. So down here we use one of those axes with those bearings. Okay, we remove the bearing. We put my both pieces on there. And then we insert this up here instead. So we're gonna print this up quick. And if we look up here, it's the remaining time an hour, so it's about an hour for this whole thing. We print this without any brim or anything, you know. Is this coming loose? Not so easy. I need both hands for that. So I have never tried this before. It's the very first time now. And so we're replacing this piece. And we pull out those bearings down here. Here, one goes there. The other one goes in the other one, there. So you basically use the parts that came with it already. And you put those end pieces on. One here, one here. Center it. Like both, centered. Okay. And then you take your filament, right? Plug this in here, and it basically goes in the same spot where this would go. Now it's spinning like very easy, because the yellow part here is basically running on those bearings. You can see this is very easy spinning. It cannot go all the way to the side because there is that stopper there, right? And there it is. Yeah, and this is a quick print. I think an hour print, and easy fix when you have those cheap cardboard rolls as filament. Oh, and then as bonus below, the print files I put out there on all those print places. Hope you like it.